Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large files through Outlook using OneDrive and file compression. We all know that email attachments come with size limits, and it can be frustrating when your file is just too big to send. But don't worry, there are simple and effective ways to solve this problem. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two easy methods so you can send large files without any issues. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to continue. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Outlook dashboard. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it, then select My Microsoft Account. This will open a new page where you can access different Microsoft services. From here, navigate to the section where you can access OneDrive. Click on it to open your OneDrive storage. Now this is where the magic happens. OneDrive allows you to upload large files and share them using a link instead of attaching them directly to an email. To get started, upload your file to OneDrive. Simply locate your file and select it for upload. Once the file is uploaded, look for the Share button at the top of the page. Click on it and a link will be generated. Go ahead and copy that link. Now, instead of attaching the file to your email, you can paste this link into your message. When the recipient clicks the link, they'll be able to view or download the file directly from OneDrive. This completely bypasses the attachment size limit and keeps your email clean and simple. Now, let's move on to the second method. This option is useful if your file is large, but not extremely large. Go to your computer and locate the file you want to send. Right-click on the file and look for the option to compress or send to zip folder. Click on it, and your system will create a compressed version of the file. This reduces the file size, making it easier to attach to an email. Once the file is compressed, go back to Outlook and create a new email. Attach the zip file just like you would with any normal attachment. If the file size is now within the allowed limit, it will send without any issues. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Use OneDrive when your file is too large to attach at all, and use compression when the file only needs a small size reduction. Both methods are simple, and choosing the right one depends on your situation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send large files through Outlook using OneDrive and compression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now, let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we signed into Outlook and accessed OneDrive. Then we uploaded the file and generated a shareable link. Next, we sent the link instead of attaching the file. After that, we learned how to compress a file using a zip folder. Finally, we attached the compressed file and sent it through Outlook. And that's everything you need to get started.